Skin rejuvenation with Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme. An anti-aging cream that's more than just a promise, it's a proven performance. Meet the multitasking marvel of skincare. It fights fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, and dryness, all in one go. Thanks to Estee Lauder's heritage of skincare excellence, you're getting a comprehensive solution to an array of aging concerns. At its heart is the advanced IntuiGen Technology. It's like having a smart assistant for your skin, activating natural revitalization processes for a healthier, more youthful glow. Its formula? A powerful mix of bamboo leaf extract, barley extract, cucumber fruit extract, and caffeine. These ingredients kickstart collagen and elastin production, tackling the root causes of skin aging. Expect visibly firmer skin in just 4 weeks. Now let's be transparent. It's not all roses. There's no money-back guarantee, and the jar packaging might affect the active ingredients over time. But the results? They speak for themselves. So, if you're on the hunt for an effective anti-aging product, Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme could be your skincare knight in shining armor. That's it for now, and remember, your skin deserves the best. Don't forget to like, share for more skincare secrets and product reviews. Visit the link for more information about the product.